Navy.
Yes, you can sail the seven seas.
In the Navy.
Yes, you can put your money.
In the Navy.
Come on, young people, make a stand. In the Navy. In the Navy.
In the Navy. Da 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 da. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Madeline's Cafe, otherwise known as Cafe Madeline. Today, in my cafe, we're going to be making some navy bean soup. This bag here calls it northern beans. I don't know why they call it that. I mean, maybe it comes from the North Pole. So, we're going to be making some. This recipe is free falling. Yeah, I'm free falling. You can modify it to your liking because it's a free country. 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth. And the first thing you want to do is pour your beans into a colander and rinse them off. Once your beans are all rinsed off, pour them into a pot or a crock pot thingy like I have here. No bean gets left behind. This is a 16-ounce bag. Now, you want to put 1 or 2 carrots finely chopped. Woohoo! I have been waiting all my life. Wait, what is that? What is that? No. You want to swim, huh? Yeah. Now you can live your dreams in a crock pot thingy. Now, you want to chop up about 2 cups worth of celery. Or 1. It's up to you. Don't forget that this is a free country. 7 years ago. If you're a little kid like I am, you're probably going to want to ask your parents for help chopping up the vegetables. Otherwise, you might cut your fingers off. Mommy, can you help me chop these vegetables? Thank you. Celery, good times. What? No, it's celery, not celebrate. No, George. It's celery, it's not celebrate. Celebrate good times in my stomach, why don't you? Now, you want to put in 1 whole onion. But if you don't like that much onion, you could put 1/2. Remember, this is a free country. Oh, you're not dare putting me in that crock pot thingy, are ya? Oh, yes I am. Oh, no, you're not. I'm not going in there. No way, Jack. Now, pour your chopped onions into your crock pot thingy. Woo! Those onions are strong. Ha ha! At least you didn't get my face. Ha 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 ha! Off I go. Now you want to put in about 32 ounces of chicken broth. This equals 4 cups. Let's add about a cup more water. Now, whisk it all together. Wait, I don't have my whisker. I like to put cubes of ham in after your beans are cooked because if you cook this for 4 hours, it sucks out all the delicious flavor and there's nothing left but cubes of pig tissue. I'm setting my crock pot to 210 degrees and simmering it for 4 hours. These times will vary depending on what you have, whether you have a stove or a crock pot thingy. The way you know it's done is the beans are soft, so check it frequently. I'll see you guys in 4 hours. Hey, Mittens is supposed to be in every episode. Where's Mittens? And a 1 and a 2. I think this might need a dollop of sour cream. Got my handy dandy drawer of spoons. How about a little more? And there you have it, folks. Navy soup. In the Navy. Okay, we won't go there.
Thank you for watching Madeline's Cafe. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when any new video comes out. Don't forget to like the video and please share with your family and friends. Leave a comment down below saying what recipe you want me to use next. See you next time. Bye everybody!